Hi, this is Will. In our previous demo, I showcased how you can enable speech to text in an Apple device. And now we'll be showcasing how you could basically use or speech to text in action using Apple device with the feature of dictation in Apple, right? So the first step is to make sure that you have this Microsoft Word already open. So I opened a blank document, right? And then upon opening, right, to enable or to switch on speech to text, you have to press the mic um, in your keyboard. And in my keyboard, it's basically on top of F5. So let me press that now. So upon pressing, it will start capturing every single word that I would say. And as you can see, it's quite accurate, right? It's not 100% accurate where AI and machine learning will kick in. And other factors also the language that you have chosen. And I think the error here is coming from my accent. So since I have a mixed accent, and if you have watched my previous demo, I've been I switch on the United States and the United Kingdom. Full stop, new line, new paragraph. And upon saying that, it basically behind the scenes already doing the full stop, comma, continue, let us continue. And once I click this as done, then it will show the outcome of the dictation that we have done. So I suggest go and try it. And this is where you could start after switching on. You could do a series of tests depending on your use case or your goals. And it provides some out of the box feature of an Apple device where you could basically utilize this a very powerful capability, which is already part of your laptop purchase. Thank you. I'll speak to you again soon.